Hello friends, I would like to tell about coronavirus versus alcohol. Okay, do you know friends how come coronavirus affect the internal part of the body and also alcohol? I think yes. But friends, I am looking forward to tell about this process how come affect the coronavirus internal part of the body and also alcohol. Okay, so friends, please listen to me. It is a very important property of alcohol. I want to say it. Friends, alcohol removed any virus, any bacteria, any germs only upper surface of the body or external surface of the body, not internal surface of the body. Okay, not internal surface of the body. Like says, I want to discuss about figure. Okay, friends, do you know it is human body? Friends, you know about this one is called external surface of the body. Okay, and this one is called internal surface of the body. You know also. So friends, I can say alcohol removed any virus or bacteria or germs upper surface of the body, upper surface of the body, external surface of the body, not internal surface of the body. Okay, not internal surface of the body. It is a natural property of alcohol. Okay, it is a natural property of alcohol. So friends, do you understand it? I think you understood it. Now friends, one question is created every mind. How come affect the coronavirus internal part of the body and how come affect the alcohol internal part of the body, and also what phenomenon, what event occurs internal part of the body. Okay, so friends, I would like to tell about this process, this solution, this answer. What situation created after enter the coronavirus or alcohol in our human body. So friends, I am looking forward to tell about this process. Please friends, concentrate it my diagram or figure. Friends, you know it is head, it is head. Okay, it is also known neck. You know about neck, and it is lower part of the neck. It is complete human body. Okay, friends, do you know two pipes connected with neck? Okay, two pipe. This one is called foot pipe and this one is called windpipe. Okay friends, two pipes connected with neck. This one is called foot pipe and this one is called windpipe. Foot pipe connected with stomach lower part, okay, food pipe lower part called stomach, or we can say it food pipe connected with neck and also stomach, okay, stomach, and windpipe connected with lungs and also neck, neck to lungs. Friends, food pipe also called esophagus, food pipe also called esophagus, and windpipe also called trachea, okay, trachea. This pipe is used for digestive purpose, like any food or drink or any items comes to this way. So this pipe and this areas digest that items like food, like vegetable, like fruits, etc. And this pipe is used for respiration. Respiration means to inlet the oxygen from air and comes to the lungs, okay, and also outlet the carbon dioxide from lungs to air, okay, enter the oxygen from air to lungs and outlet the carbon dioxide from lungs to air, CO2. So friends, trachea used for respiration and food pipe used for digestion. Now friends, I would like to tell about process, how come react virus and also alcohol internal part of the body. So friends, now let's start. Friends, when enter the alcohol enter the alcohol from mouth to neck, okay, enter the alcohol from mouth to neck, then after the alcohol comes to this phase, alcohol comes to this phase like food pipe, okay, like food pipe, and comes to the stomach. Alcohol comes to mouth and neck, and after food pipe, then after enter the stomach, okay. Alcohol not comes to the windpipe, not comes to the windpipe from neck to lungs. Please concentrate it. Alcohol comes to mouth and neck, and after it is comes to food pipe from neck to stomach, okay. And concentrate it, okay, concentrate it. Coronavirus enter the mouth or nose or eye, comes to neck, then after comes to windpipe, comes to windpipe and also lungs. So friends, alcohol path is different and virus path is different. If alcohol path this one, if alcohol path this one like windpipe, so we can say it alcohol dissolve the virus or destroyed the virus or blast the virus or remove the virus. But you know friends, alcohol comes to this phase like food pipe and comes to stomach. So alcohol can't affect it, okay, can't affect coronavirus because alcohol's path is different, okay. So we can say it alcohol not affected or can't affect coronavirus because coronavirus path different. It comes to windpipe from neck to lungs and alcohol comes to food pipe. If suppose it, if coronavirus enter the food pipe and comes to stomach, then friends, coronavirus will be blasted, removed, destroyed. Not only coronavirus but also every virus or bacteria or germs, because friends, stomach areas, these areas secreted by highly concentrated HCl, hydrochloric acid, highly concentrated. It is a grandfather of alcohol, we can say it. Then friends, HCl removed any virus, bacteria or germs. So we can say it, if coronavirus enter this path and comes to stomach, then after HCl removed it, okay, but coronavirus enter this way, this path, so coronavirus not affect from HCl or alcohol, because alcohol comes to this way. Suppose it, if alcohol comes to this way, then alcohol removed the coronavirus. But you know friends, alcohol comes to this way, that is different path or way, and also coronavirus come to this way. So both path are different, so we can say it, alcohol not affected or can't remove coronavirus. Okay, if suppose it, coronavirus rest in neck, okay, this areas, so we can say it, alcohol removed or destroyed the coronavirus as possible, approximately 70% or 80% removed. Okay, but if coronavirus enter the windpipe, then alcohol will not affect coronavirus. Why? Because both path are different, alcohol part different and virus part different. So we can say it, alcohol can't affect coronavirus, because alcohol path are different and virus path are different. Okay, so friends, I think do you understand it? If or not, so please you can comment. Okay, so friends, thank you. And if any mistake in my video or blunder, so I'm really sorry friends. Thank you so much.